Hi there. Here were steps I took to secure 3 job offers as a data analyst and as an immigrant in the UK. Step 1, I learned the right tools needed to succeed as a data analyst, and this was basically Excel, Power BI, and SQL. Coursera and YouTube are an excellent resource for a beginner. Step 2, I crafted an excellent resume. I made sure I tailored my resume to every job role, not just a generic one. I highlighted my relevant skills that matched, the job descriptions. Step 3, networking and LinkedIn. This was a game changer for me. I connected with top recruiters, joined groups, and remained, very active on LinkedIn, cold mailing recruiters. And step 4 was my interview levels. I prepared for my interview as if it was a final round. I practiced common data analyst questions, refined my storytelling skills, and highlighted how I was going to bring value to that organization. So here you have it. If you're looking to land that multiple job offer as a data analyst or make a career move to the UK, follow me for more tips. You've got this.